introduction website was done last week. I mean, in the previous session. Okay. So did you go through the tools which I had shared you about the content spinner and all?
One or two I went.
Acha, okay. No issues.
Quite interesting only.
Okay, okay. So, what does a website consist of? We covered. Okay, what are the tools? Domain and hosting will be doing it. Introduction to WordPress will be doing. I mean, like the website which we'll be creating will be on WordPress. It will be no coded, no HTML.
Hmm.
ठीक. WordPress doesn't have any coding, so it's like very
We were
simple.
doing it in WordPress.
Yes, so anyone can make a website with the help of WordPress.
Acha. You're
So,
teaching me WordPress also.
yes.
Super.
So see what happens around the world in 60 seconds. See how much traffic is there. See 3.8 million requests on Google. Okay. Insta is this much, then Twitter, then here Insta, Netflix. So you can see so much of traffic in all these platforms. These are all online platforms.
Hmm.
Okay, so anyone who will visit any of the platform, मतलब whatever, they'll be searching. I mean, वो बोलते हैं कि लास्ट टाइम जैसे हम लोग ने डिस्कस किया कि विल बी ड्राइविंग द ट्रैफिक इफ इट इज ऑन फेसबुक विल ड्राइव द ट्रैफिक टू आवर वेबसाइट इफ इट इज ऑन वेबसाइट विल ड्राइव द ट्रैफिक टू ऑल द प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी आर अवेलेबल and we make
Hmm.
sure that we are available on all the platform क्योंकि see everywhere you get so much of traffic, so it's a organic reach where you can do the best. You don't
Correct.
have to run ads also.
Hmm.
Okay. So, but again, organic also it's not that easy if you until and unless you don't be consistency. If you
Correct.
maintain consistency, then only you will get the organic reach and many
Hmm.
are getting business, organically. That is because of the consistency. You will see every day, story is put up or the status is put up or new post has been created, anything. So it's very much important.
30 minutes to 1 hour should be good enough, right?
Yeah, yeah, 30 minutes more than enough for one platform, I would say. In fact, see it's up to you. Like if you have planned for the entire month, whatever the content is, okay,
Ah.
only thing is morning you have to get up and you have to just post it. And
Acha.
after 2 hours, every 2 hours, 3 hours, you just monitor, no? I mean, like how many people have commented, you have to just reply. See, even 4 hours also you monitor 4 hours or 5 hours before you sleep.
Hmm.
So see, we get notification, okay, and it depends upon what kind of work we are busy into. Okay,
Hmm.
if you're busy into something, like suppose your both hands are occupied with some, where you cannot lift up your mobile or you cannot access your laptop to just see the notification, anyone who has replied, that is different thing. But when your entire work is on laptop and mobile, so you
Hmm.
get notification immediately if anyone has, ask anything, so you can answer them. So monitoring is also very much important, like maintaining the consistency. Even if
Hmm.
if you have just planned for the entire month whatever the content you'll be uploading, okay, but if you don't monitor and you don't reply the customer won't wait ki yes I mean like I have commented, I'll wait for Vijay to answer and then only I'll switch to the competitor, because there are so much of competition, so many promotions going on, similar products, similar brands. So you cannot expect like, this person who has asked you 2 hours back, and when you will reply, yes, this product is available. How do you want? So you'll be saying like, no, I got it from Amazon. I got it from so and so person. So that is
Hmm.
what it's happening.
Okay.
Yeah. But I've seen Vijay, I mean, like on social media, people are so poor. I mean, like monitoring their accounts.
Hmm.
Like, people are just asking for 1 week, about the product. Like, the post is like viral. Okay.
Hmm.
People are asking about the product, about the information about the product. There is no one to reply also. Not
Acha.
even a single. Yeah. I mean, like, so this shouldn't be there. So it's better you don't create the post. I mean, like, at least customer is not wasting time, and
Correct.
why you are taking so much of efforts also, to putting up the post when you can't reply.
True. No. When you're doing it, you should do it honestly.
Yeah, I have seen in like I
Religiously.
have come across so many sometimes, now so I just reply them when I get a note. See, you get a notification whenever you reply to a post. After 1 week
Mm.
also you get a notification someone has commented on so and so that post. Okay.
Mm.
Then I reply them when you don't have time to reply to the audience. Why do you put up such post?
Correct.
So that is what it is. So again, I mean, like, see, you can make the best and you can make the worst also on this.
Mm.
Okay. So what does a website consist of? So we discussed domain, okay, the address of your business, web,
Correct.
your
Mm.
content, blog, e-commerce, like whatever you put up, okay. Then SEO helps your business be more visible. So if your website has a good content with the proper keyword relevancy about the images or whatever you have uploaded on your website, okay, and people searching on like particular like keywords. Wait, I'll show you SEO, how does SEO works? For example, if I take digital marketing services. Okay, so this is the keyword.
Mm.
Okay. When I added this keyword, I got so many digital marketing services, say digital marketing.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
now this keyword, how many, if I click on this first, okay. So this is the keyword, digital marketing services.
Mm.
So we'll check this keyword on particular page, how many time it has been used by the user, I mean by the client, because of which it is ranking on the first page. What's taking- Hmm. Okay, so what did I add? Digital marketing services. So this is one, okay, digital marketing service. Then service, digital marketing agency. Then see here, digital marketing services. Okay. Um, marketing services. Okay. Here, digital marketing services. So it all depends upon the keyword, how many times you have used the keyword on that particular page.
Mm.
Okay, because this digital marketing services, I added the keyword, it has taken me to a, like, it has shown on the first page, okay, on Google.
Mm.
So
Mm. Mm.
Google need to check how many times the keyword must have used. That's the reason the person, I mean, the client is ranking on the first page. For example, if we take this Orange Mantra, see, Orange Mantra is a brand. It's the
Mm.
name of the company. But headline, what are they using? They're using digital marketing services. Here also, at in a top brand position with strategic and best digital marketing services one. Okay. Then comes, just check again, see digital marketing company, digital marketing, digital marketing, digital marketing, digital marketing. So SEO plays very important role as per the keyword. You check with other keywords like digital marketing uh, course, or let's say graphic designing. Okay, graphic design is a keyword. See, graphic designing, this headline is also graphic designing course.
Mm.
Okay, learn from expert mentors in a life. One part graphic designing course, second time. Okay, then we'll scroll down. Here, graphic designing course. Okay, then comes again see, apart from graphic designing, you can use the keywords that is motion graphics, 3D effects, or banners, hoardings. I mean, like whatever it is under graphic designing, whatever is covered under graphic designing, those keywords also matters the most as per the SEO point of view.
Mm.
Okay. So here, see graphic designing, graphic designing, graphic design, graphic.
Ashwini, 1 second, I'm getting a call.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Very good afternoon. Yes, speaking. I'm attending. I'm in the classroom. Somebody from Stu will leave.
Yeah.
Mm.
Done, Vijay?
Mm.
Okay, so SEO like this, it helps that hosting the physical space of your website occupies. So
So the
wherever,
land is the hosting for this
yes,
house.
correct.
Acha.
And the domain is
Got
the
it.
address.
Ah.
So both are important. So without address, I mean, like the user won't be able to go. And if even the user is, see, if some people, I mean, like what they do a mistake, like, they buy a domain, they purchase a domain and they get free WordPress.
Mm.
Okay. Hosting is like, but again, you will get a place, but if you want to put up your images or if you want people to see your products, for that you need to pay. That will
Mm.
be double. So it's
Mm.
better to go with the hosting.
Acha, acha.
Even if WordPress is giving you free,
Mm.
okay, but whatever, again, if you want to put up one image also, one plugin also you want to insert, you have to pay. So it's
No,
better.
no, I didn't understand this. How is it? How did it happen? He's got a separate domain and
Yeah.
uh, so you have to get the domain from the hosting itself. That's what you're trying to tell.
Yeah, yeah, both the things. See,
Okay.
domain hosting, both the thing has to be purchased. Because sometimes you
From
get
the same, from the same.
no, it's okay. Like you can buy a hosting from some other server also. It's not
Okay.
like there are domain name like GoDaddy is there, Hostinger is there. I'll show you. I
Mm.
mean, like we'll come up with which are
Mm.
the
Mm.
servers where you can purchase.
No, no, I didn't understand that you are telling that if it is separate, then he said you were
Separate
telling.
means, see what happens. Domain is purchased, so hosting.
Uh,
Sometime you get a free. You now also you can create a free WordPress website,
Acha. Okay.
but it will not go live until you have a domain. Okay, so when you upload
Understood.
anything, okay,
Mm. Mm.
uploading a single also you need to purchase, you have to pay. So that would be double expense. So it's better
Okay.
we go with the entire package only, hosting service where it includes WordPress, whatever you want to add, you can add. There is no extra charges.
Hosting service, WordPress plus the domain. That's what you're trying.
Yes,
Acha,
yes,
acha,
yes,
acha,
yes.
acha. Okay, okay. Got it.
So what does a website consist of? See, so website, these are the servers. You can buy the domain and hosting
Mm.
from GoDaddy, BigRock, Namecheap, Wix. These are all servers. Hosting, again, you can take it from GoDaddy, Bluehost, Amazon Web Services, hosting a SiteGround. So these are all servers.
Acha,
Servers
acha.
like like we have apps different,
Mm.
like you, if you want to buy from Myntra, you want to buy from Amazon, whatever. So it's up
Mm.
to you. So
Mm.
if you
Mm.
find like Myntra has a very good services, they deliver fast, so you'll switch to Myntra. If you don't find like good products, you find like Amazon is best for the return policy, everything, so you switch to it, or it's up to your experience where you find it. So
Mm.
then FAQs. What should be my blog topic? See, any topic of your choice. So whenever you create a website, it is up to your.
Mm.
Uh, एक second, just give me 1 second. Okay. So can I use WordPress on any type of hosting? Yes, you can use any you can use WordPress of any type of hosting. So there is nothing like, only on Hostinger you can create or any other. Then will my domain be available for a sale to someone else? Yes. See, if you have purchased the domain today, 24th
Hmm.
January 2025, so
Hmm.
it will start sending you a mail 3 months or 2 months prior. Your domain is going to expire. Please renew it.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
today is 24, next 2026. Okay.
Hmm.
2023 till 23, it will wait. After 12, if you not renew before 12, if your domain is not renewed, it
Hmm.
will be live on the website, on the GoDaddy server.
Live means?
Live, I mean, like it will be visible there. For
Okay.
example, I'll show you. Let's log into GoDaddy. Now, for example, what domain have you thought any in future? Suppose if you want to create a website,
Hmm.
domain would you like to purchase? Name of your company, any, I mean, like you must have thought, ki, yes, this would be in the name of my brand. This would be the name of my company. Any?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
The cloud kitchen you were thinking about.
Cloud kitchen. Cloud kitchen I was thinking, but I haven't come to a.
Just random, I mean, like we'll just take a
Hmm.
example.
Hmm. Hmm. Let's just take. Can put it as Nilgiris.
Wait. 7. Okay. Nilgiris. Nilgiris.com.
Oh, Nilgiris.com. I think it should be there already.
Wait, we'll see.
Mhm.
See, Nilgiris.com is there. Okay. Where they have it. Okay, if you want to buy, they are selling it for 12,999.
Acha. Okay.
Okay, apart from this, see, because .com is very easy to understand and people prefer going with .com.
Hmm.
It is not like, even if you take .co.in, .co
Hmm.
will not get results. It has nothing
Hmm.
to do with that. Even if
Hmm.
you take .in, .co.in, nothing
Hmm.
is going to affect until your SEO is perfect. Okay, if
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
have done your proper SEO, your keywords, your relevancy of your content, everything is it will nothing make zero difference on this
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
ranking thing.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
Nilgiris, they give you an option. So this is what we want this name. So as per that, they are showing you these many results and the
Hmm.
pricing also. Nilgiris.shop, nilgiris.co.in, which is 1 rupee first year and 3 years it will be different. Then Nilgiris shop,
Acha.
128 rupees first year. Nilgiris beer,
So why is it
Nilgiris.
so cheap?
Uh,
128
they
first year.
have they have the package.
Acha.
See, first year they will give this much, but next year they'll cover up.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah. But again, it depends. Many people suppose, see, now when you are planning to set up a website, it is
Hmm.
not just temporary or time pass. So
Correct.
people, they buy for 5 years, 10 years, because obviously when they are promoting, they won't switch to other domains. Either if
Hmm.
they have come up with new brand or new products or new company, then they'll buy a separate domain.
Hmm. Hmm.
They won't,
Hmm.
change
Hmm.
much in that.
Hmm.
Okay. So these are the options where you get it. See.
Acha.
Here
So
again,
what is this? Nilgiritar.com is 4,31,000.
yes.
Oh my God. Hmm.
Yeah. So maybe it's like, there is a demand for this name. That's the reason they have put
Hmm.
up this. Nilgiris.life, Nilgiris Kitchen, Nilgiris VIP, Biz, Nilgiri, Adivasi, Nilgiri.com.
Hmm.
See, people search with the name also, Adivasi Nilgiri. Okay,
Hmm.
like that, Adivasi oil
So
also.
how is it? So this is not being used by anybody else, or is it that?
See, this is what they have as per them. So even anyone who has used it, okay,
Hmm.
but they must have not renewed or they are not using
So
it after
that
that.
they are giving it to us.
That's the reason it is showing live here. So
Acha.
in case you also have a domain and you forget to renew it,
It will come
okay?
on like this.
Like, yeah, maybe you're traveling, you forgot, you're busy,
Hmm.
XY. The next day, like 25th Jan, 24th after 12, your name of the domain will be shown here. So anyone searching for that particular name, okay, he might purchase that.
If he
Then
purchases, then I will not get the domain.
no, you won't because he has purchased. See,
Hmm.
it depends. If you are lucky, you might get also. Maybe the person is
Acha.
not searching, but lot of traffic coming up on this these sites. So people
Hmm.
they keep searching of
Hmm.
domain names so where they can purchase. So
Acha, acha.
it is not like they are not sending you reminders or anything. They are
Hmm.
sending reminders by still you forgot to renew it. So that's the reason.
Ah, okay, okay, okay.
So this
Hmm.
is what it is showing live now.
Hmm. Hmm.
So or
Hmm.
else if it is gone, if anybody has purchased it, then you need to select some other name which is available here.
Acha.
So
And
that
then
is
we'll have to send it for approval.
yes, not approval.
Acha.
You have to just
Hmm.
purchase it. Pay karo or
Okay.
that's it.
Hmm. Hmm.
No approval, nothing. You have to just purchase it. So these are Nilgiris.live, Nilgirispro.in. Okay. Nilgiris Club. See, Nilgiris Co. Nilgiris World, Nilgiris Site, for example. Uh, Nilgirisoil.com. Okay,
Hmm.
suppose if we want to take with this nilgirisoil.com. Okay, we'll
One
put up
rupee
in,
only.
yes, we'll put up in the cart. Okay,
Hmm.
continue. See, you will get to see full domain protection is 549. Addition into that. Okay.
Hmm.
Then tell the world your site is coming soon. Like, suppose you have started promoting on social
Hmm.
media. We are on web, so and so is our name of the brand. We are, launching so many products. So whenever
Hmm.
they will enter the URL, they will get this message. Your
Hmm.
site is
Hmm.
coming soon, where we get it to see on many
Hmm.
websites.
Hmm.
Okay. So this, if you don't want, you can remove it also.
Hmm. Hmm.
It will include in the domain. Build credibility with a custom email address. Again, go with this always additional 39 rupees per month,
Hmm.
which will give you like, vijay@nilgirisoil.com.
Hmm.
Okay. So this, Gmail is like normal. But when
Hmm.
you have your website, when you have your brand, so
Hmm.
always use these kind of email address. So it's like 39 to 40 rupees per month, which will be additional fee. Okay. So these all things will be added. We'll continue to cart.
Oh, you mean to say related to the website, we'll have to use a email
Yes,
in
yes.
connection with the website.
Correct, correct. So it
Acha,
will
acha.
show the trustworthy among the customer, no?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
That yes, this is the domain. I mean, like it is not, fraud or something. I mean, like the website, like many brands also have, they have
Hmm.
the Gmail ID of the same this. See, 1 year they were giving,
Hmm.
okay, first to 999, okay. Then 3 years they are giving how much? 2,999. So the
Hmm.
more domain names you own, the more protected your brand is. Okay. So,
So what is that? The more domain names you own.
huh.
Oh, what does that mean?
So that means like suppose you are into now Nilgiri oil. You have Nilgiri. What else we have for Nilgiri? What all products?
Oils, tea.
So
Mm.
you will create with, you are into Nilgiri, means you will be having almost all the products, maybe it's oil or it's tea or whatever. So you will be
Mm.
having separate websites for those separate products.
Acha, acha.
Their benefits, their services, whatever it is. So
Mm.
that's the
Mm.
reason they give this. So if you want to purchase for 10 years, see, it will charge you how much? It will charge you 12,592.
Mm.
50% off, they are saying. Okay. Then suppose it will take now for 1 year. Okay. Full domain protection. Okay. Which was 649 per month. Okay. For a year, 549. Okay. Professional email also we want 39 rupees per this per month. Okay. It's your name, own it, lock in your matching Nilgiri oil domain names before someone else does. So dot online, suppose you have a e-commerce store of Nilgiri. Okay.
Mm.
So if you have a e-commerce store, always go with this name, shop
Stop.
online or .co. So it will definitely reflects that this is something into e-commerce, selling products.
Acha.
Don't go with only .com. Otherwise, I
Mm.
mean, like if you have your surname or your organization name Nilgiri, that is different. But see, this is a keyword again. So
Mm.
obviously,
Mm. Mm.
anyone
Mm.
who will
Mm.
put up the Nilgiri, like they'll be like either the product, the oil, the benefits of Nilgiri, they'll be thinking like that. So don't try to use the keyword or the name of the product. I mean, like it should, even the customer, whenever I say like log into Nilgiri, you'll get everything. So even
Mm.
he should have a idea that they must be into Nilgiri products only. It shouldn't be like the name of the brand.
Much. Correct.
Okay. So if you're into e-commerce, go for these kind of this domains. Okay. So here two items. Okay. And this. And then I'm ready to pay. That's it. Your name, your society, everything, how you're paying, card or, as per that you can pay. That's it. Then comes with the hosting also. Websites and hostings, web WordPress hosting. Okay, you can see the plans and pricing. See, WordPress, this is per month 329, 499, and 849. So you can see what are the benefits. This is managed WordPress basic, this is managed WordPress deluxe, managed WordPress ultimate. So all has different this features. Here one website, here three websites can be managed. Suppose you are into Nilgiri again. I mean, like apart from Nilgiri, you are into like you said, Nilgiri oil, Nilgiri tea,
Mm.
Nilgiri products. I mean, like soap or whatever. So you must have created separate websites for all those products. Like it's not only oil. I mean, like it's not only hair oil. It must be for the massage, or it must be for the breathing.
Yeah.
Depends what kind of products you are making, for what external use, internal use, whatever. You must be into tablets, or you must be into tea bags, or XYZ. So as per that, if you want three website, you have a plan that, for example, like real estate agencies, okay, they have like they will not club in one website all the projects which are going on. Suppose
Mm.
the project are running in multiple metropolitan cities, okay, so they'll be having a one website of Bombay where they'll be having putting up only projects of Bombay. Then Pune separate, Bangalore separate. So where it will be easy for them to purchase three websites here. Okay. So you can see the features 10 GB here, also 20
What
GB.
is
This
NVMe storage?
yes, storage. It's a storage 20 GB
Uh,
gigabytes. Like
NVMe.
yes, where in you will get a lot of storage. You don't have to purchase a storage like we do it on Gmail or cloud. We upload our,
Mm-hmm.
so here you get ample of storage here.
Acha.
Then free SSL certificates. SSL certificate is nothing but where your website is protected with
Okay.
any copyright issues or
Mm.
hacks, virus. So every website should have, like, HTTPS, where you put up a website which doesn't have HTTPS, that is, doesn't have a SSL certificate. Sometime it shows here insecure. It comes like, dot I, small I. So that is like they don't have the SSL certificate with them. So SSL certificate is very much important.
It's a kind of safety related.
Yes, yes. AI creation tool, weekly backups, your daily backup, GoDaddy, Aero, Site Optimizer. Again, like it will help you to optimize your site. How is it performing? Whether the site is opening within 1 second or not, whether is it taking a lot of time to open, why the speed is low, or how your website is performing on Google. Everything will be shown here. Automated malware scans and removal, up to 2x faster performance with CDN. So it's all the features. It's up to you. You can start with this. See, you can start with 329 monthly. Okay, if you find whatever storage you are looking for, that is sufficient. What are the features you are able to manage? Okay,
You can
it's
continue.
fine. If you're not able to manage, or if it's asking more storage or more other features, then you can go with the other thing. Or else you
490.
can go with
That's right.
this. But it's not only GoDaddy who has a hosting services. There are other servers also where you can buy the hosting. It is not like if you have purchased domain from GoDaddy, you have to purchase hosting from GoDaddy only. It is no compulsion. So even if you log in on Hostinger, see, these are the plans here. Okay.
So off the track, which means GoDaddy has got so much of space available for them, correct? In the
Yes.
whatever.
Yes. Correct. Hostinger. Here, again, you have to log in. There it was how much? 329 na per month. We'll just check here on hosting.
Hostinger is how much?
That's what we'll check.
Hostinger.
Here, photo. Now, after, for example, if we check here, Nilgiri. Here also you can see the pricing.
IO. Okay.
Yes.
Tech.
Hmm.
Okay. .net.
Info, XYZ, site. We saw which one there? Nilgiri dot. What was on domain? I mean, like on uh,
.co.
GoDaddy.
.in. Oh, Nilgiri.co. SPS.
See, nilgiri.com is already registered, it's showing. Yeah. So if we just take the hosting now. See, web hosting, save 80%, hosted my cloud hosting, VPS hosting. Yeah, it's more reasonable than that.
69 only. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, see now, it's 83% off. 80% off, 70% off. So this is more reasonable. There for 349, we were paying for the basic one. Your business website, your 100 websites you can make. They were giving only 3.
And he is giving
100.
500 GB SSD storage.
Yes. 50. This is
50.
50.
Sorry, 50. 50.
Yeah. This is 100 and 200. So I think this would be much better because there we were paying for 349 for basic only.
Correct.
Here, see, so like this, it's not hosting. There are other servers also where you can check with the pricing. Sometimes they have sale, some they have,
But
sometimes
their service is all the same, right?
almost same.
There is no up and
I
down.
don't think so. Any complaints? So always, I suggest buy a domain from GoDaddy and go to hosting for hosting service. Go with the hostinger.
Buy a website from GoDaddy and host from Hostinger.
Yeah.
Acha.
Still, you can check with sometimes the pricing, they go up, down. For example, if I select this, okay, see, 48 months, it will give me again, see, if I go with see, 12 months, again, it's giving 359. So it's whatever this 70% of they are giving, it is for 48 months.
Oh, it's for 48 months, correct.
So it's one and the same thing only, you can say. But still, again, I think 12 months, 359, this is business web hosting compared to the GoDaddy, this is much better.
Looks like.
So suppose if I take for 12 months like this, okay, choose payment method. So total tax will be this much.
So how are the payments for these? It's only through card or all
This
payments are
card.
available?
Card.
Achha.
PayPal, UPI or Visa.
Other ways to pay, what is that?
Yes, other ways maybe I think Paytm or Paytm net
Oh,
bank.
net banking is there. Okay, good.
Yes. So whatever you select, as per that, you have to put up the continue with your purchase, will be redirect to payment provider, continue with net banking, whatever. Okay, GST will be this much total, and you're done.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how you need to purchase the domain and hosting.
Hosting. Got it.
Okay,
So
these are the
domain, I'll
servers.
take it from GoDaddy and host from Hostinger.
Yes. So will my domain be available for sale to someone else? Yes, it will be
Yes,
available if
yeah.
you don't renew it on time. So can I change my hosting later? Yes, you can change your hosting any given point. Like 1 month you must have used GoDaddy, you found it not that good. You can check with Hostinger next month. Okay.
So how will I know that this hosting is not good?
Depends. Sometimes you're not able to purchase any plugins. I mean, like you cannot access the softwares which are there.
Acha.
Suppose
Okay.
how we use Play Store. Okay, suppose we don't have a screen recorder option. We'll go to Play Store, we'll check with the app and we'll buy the app. Okay. The same, I mean, like not buy, download the app. The same thing is in the website also. So if you want to add a form, okay, for that you will go to plugins, you will insert a form, but it depends. So if it is not there, then what's the use? So that there you can, just see, I mean, like maybe they ask you to pay more. So then again, it shouldn't be like, after paying so much also, they're asking me to pay more. So then that time you can try a different server. Okay. But it's hardly, sometime you will find these difficulties. Otherwise, everything goes okay.
So there are no scammers in this, no?
No, not at all. No scammers, yeah. So
Hmm.
whatever you have paid, you will get that much only. No, I mean, nothing more, nothing less also. So
Okay.
you can change your hosting anytime. So where do I get free images from? So these are also the tools, FreePic,
Hmm.
Pixel, Unsplash. Suppose if you want to upload on any website, you can use it. There is no copyright issue also.
Acha, okay.
Yeah, FreePic, Pixels, Unsplash. You can go and log into these websites. You will get thousands of images of different categories and products.
Hmm.
Okay, you can use those for on your website. Then difference between blog and pages that will cover when we'll be doing the this website. Will in or .com affect SEO of my website? No, it won't affect. Until and
Okay.
unless your SEO is done properly, your keywords, your content is properly updated, there is nothing will affect your website.
Hmm. So what is the difference between blog and page?
Yes, blog
Hmm.
and page. So I'll show you, we'll be doing the practical. Okay. So then FAQs, what are plugins? Plugins, as I said, like suppose you want to add anything, if you want to play a different game, so you will go to a Play Store and then you will check with, Riddle game. Riddle game, you will put
Okay.
up the keyword, you will find the game and you will
Okay.
install, use it. The same way is in the website also. Suppose you want to
Acha.
change the font, okay? You will go to plugins, you will find font. Okay, if it is related any font, so then you will install it and you can use it.
So
Okay.
it's just the other term of insert.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct. So suppose you want to add a form, you don't have a form. So for that, you need to go and check on plugin where is a form, contact form, where the user can fill up. So that you can use it and you can add it.
So that's free.
Yes, that is free. So plugins are of different, I mean, like there are many plugins, thousands of plugins. Suppose if you want to add a social media icons also. So you can go on plugins, you can check with social media icons, you will get any icon you want to add, you can upload them. So are plugins free? Yes, they are free, but see, there are thousands of plugins which are free, but suppose the client has a different views or opinion towards the requirement. So if it doesn't meet the requirement which is available, then you need to go and check with the premium version. So in that case, you need to purchase.
Acha.
Okay. Do plugins slow down the speed of the website? Yes. If your website, I mean, like you must have installed so many plugins wherein you are not using. The same thing goes with our mobile phone also. Okay. Where there are n number of apps installed,
Correct.
but we hardly use few apps. Okay, it was just, you got to see the ad of the game or whatever you have installed. But I think it's been a year where you haven't opened the app only. So in that case, it will slow down your mobile.
Exactly.
Okay. The same thing happens on website also. So
Oh,
always a website should be quick. It shouldn't take time to
correct.
open
Correct.
because people will not wait. Suppose they are looking for so and so particular category when they log in. Okay, I mean they will search on Google, they will click. And if it is taking a lot of time, they won't wait ki yes, there must be issue. They'll again go back to the main page and they'll check with the other competitor and they might click on it. So that shouldn't be there. So always try to, maintain those things. So what is the difference between homepage and about us page? So that also we'll be doing it practically.
Okay.
Okay. So Vijay, till here you have any question, any doubts?
No.
Sure,
I'm
all clear.
perfectly okay.
Okay. So we'll connect next week. Okay, Wednesday.
Yeah, will do.
Okay.
Sure.
Chalo then. Bye,
Okay.
Vijay.
Bye.
Take care. Have a
Take
nice
care.
day.